Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off promos and notifications on the Plants vs Zombies game within your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Plants vs Zombies game on your device and you can immediately start playing by tapping on the play button from your homepage. Now, when you play any of your match, you will find the menu icon at the top right corner. When you tap on this button, you will see various different options that you can change. Tap on the promotions checkbox in order to remove the check mark, and you can do the same with the notifications as well. Now this will disable all of the promotions and notifications that you get while playing. You can now go back to your game and continue to enjoy your play session. Now you can change these settings from the main menu as well. Just tap on help and options at the bottom left corner, and you can once again tap on the checkbox to enable or disable promotions and notifications. And there you have it. That is how you can disable promos and notification on the Plants vs Zombies game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.